All right, so today I'm going to show you how you can fix this error while trying to enable public access for your buckets in Google Cloud. As you know, when you go to permissions and you try to add all users, you're going to see this specific error in this given scenario. So how to fix this is you're going to navigate over to your IAM and admin settings and then go over here to organization policies. Now, as far as what we need to actually fix here, there's only one policy mentioned in the error, but there's actually two that I recommend changing to fix this issue. So the first one is this, the allowed policy member domains. We're going to go over here to the actions button, edit policy, set this to override parents policy. This we're going to set for policy enforcements to replace, and then rules are going to be allow all for the policy values. And then the next thing that we're going to change is our storage.public access prevention. This is not necessarily stated in the error message, but this will prevent a lot of other issues as well. And we're going to set this to override parents policy to whatever the organization's setting, and then the rules will be not enforced. And then set policy as well. Now if we go back to your bucket, in our cloud storage tab, you should easily be able to set this to public access and not have any issues now when it comes to enabling this as an admin.